Wrong question to me. Wrong question for me. Because I don't know the answer to that. Why so long?
Why so long to release the film in India?
I have no idea.
You didn't think of it before?
Sorry? Next question.
What really inspired you to make this movie? What really inspired you to the subject of the movie as such? What was the inspiration?
What inspired me? It was such a moving story, such a miraculous true story, and the love that all the characters had were incredible. So I wanted to do that.
And talking about Dev Patel as an actor, how do you find potential actor as such? What qualities did you find him as an actor, as an individual?
Dev Patel is a very special human being and a very beautiful actor, and I think he's one of his best roles.
And getting the recognition world over for that movie, how proud do you feel about that achievement?
The nominations are a testament to the passion and heart that went into the making of the film, and I'm very excited that this means that the film will be seen by more people.
Dev Patel is a good actor. What about the Indian actors? Will you ever cast an Indian actor as such? There are many big actors in Mumbai.
We had some beautiful Indian actors in this film, and I'm very grateful that they supported the film. Very, very grateful.
And working on your next project as well? Are you working on any other project?
I've just finished shooting another movie called Mary Magdalene.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, how's the response? How positive the response is you getting from India?
From India, I don't know yet because it hasn't come out. But I've met a lot of Indian people in other countries who have very, very much connected to the film.
With all due respect, why Dev Patel? Why not somebody else?
Because Dev was the best person for the role.
Okay, do you think it also reminds us of what we have seen in Danny Boyle's Slumdog
No,
Millionaire?
there's no comparison.
There's no comparison.
No,
Thank you.
totally different film.
Thank you.
हाँ भाई पिक्चर सबके घूम लेंगे सबके पिक्चर और लोग सेंटर रहेगा चलिए ऑर्डर
Really good to see you. What are you expecting from the film?
What do I expect from the film? I think it's already clear because we had 5 Golden Globe nominations. We have 6 Academy Award nominations. So it is definitely a fantastic film. I'm really proud and happy to be an integral part of the film. And I had a fabulous time working with the entire team, and especially with Garth Davis, who's the director of the film. He's an amazing director, and in the role that he cast me also is a very surprising role. And everybody who's seen the film in America or in the UK or in Australia and who's seen my work before have all said that it really surprises them to see me in a role like this. So I think that's something which is quite amazing for me.
You can throw some more light on your character, no?
About the director?
Your character.
My character, I will not throw light because it is a surprise element. It does give the story a sort of a twist, which is why, like, both Nawaz and my character has not been spoken about much, because when you see the film, you will see why it needs to be a surprise.
Okay, thank you.
एक्टिंग करने के लिए
ओके, सेंटर में देख के बात करिए। क्या अच्छा लगा आपको काम करते वक्त?
शूटिंग अच्छा लगा काम करते वक्त।
और क्या डायरेक्टर ने आपको बताया था क्या कहानी है, क्या नाम है आपका फिल्म में? आपका नाम?
मेरा
हाँ।
सरू।
तो सरू करते क्या? सरू खो जाते हैं क्या?
हाँ।
फिर
वो ट्रेन में घूम जाता है। फिर उसके बाद अब उनका ऑस्ट्रेलिया लोग अडॉप्ट कर देते हैं। फिर मालूम नहीं।
कोई डायलॉग याद है आपको?
नहीं। अच्छा, डायरेक्टर कैसे आपको बनाते थे सीन करने के लिए? हाँ, वो डायरेक्टर ऐसा करता था। उसका मतलब क्या होता है? अब उनका सैड और दिल से।
थैंक यू। सनी पवार।
ये मत लेके जा, ये ऐसे भी ले ही नहीं रहा है।
अरुण देख रहे हैं
all together. Let's do a conference. No comment with conference. अरे हट रहा यार अरुण.
like good films यार. तुम्हारा माइक की बात I like good films and इतने सारे nominations मिले हैं तो why not get a chance to see it, must see it. Anything else?
तेरी बारी. कुछ.
बोल ठाकर. बोलना.
फिल्में किस तरह कितनी फिल्में देखते हैं
मुझे फिल्में पसंद हैं और इसीलिए मैं इसी प्रोफेशन में हूँ एंड आई थिंक हॉलीवुड की फिल्मों में क्या है कि एक ऑनेस्टी का जो लेवल है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है और वो देखने में मज़ा आता है.
अक्षय सर चाहे वो बिग बॉस हो या फिर जॉनी एनर्जी हो, आपके बाद एक बड़ा स्टार आके उसे हथियार लेता है
क्यों मेरी दुखती रग पे हाथ रख रहा है यार?
क्योंकि वो दुखती रहे.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है यार. इट्स लाइक आई टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, मैंने कई बार कह चुका हूँ मैं बहुत ही सुस्त आदमी हूँ. बिग बॉस के वक्त तो आई डिडंट वांट टू डू एनी फर्दर देन दैट. जॉली का इत्तेफाक है एंड एज आई सेड अर्लियर आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अक्षय इज डूइंग इट. अक्षय की मेरी बातें होती रहती है एंड आई थिंक इज डन अ डैम गुड जॉब. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई रियली होप द फिल्म डज वेल यार. दैट्स इट. नहीं मैं देखूंगा अभी. मैं खुद इरादा प्रमोट करने में लगा हुआ हूँ. यस there is never relief for Bollywood. I'm sorry, but it is a sad situation that I think there's a good chunk of money that goes into the government's pocket from the Bollywood industry, and unfortunately we are targeted, we are thrashed, and we are threatened, and all that happened, and nobody gives a shit. It's a sad case.
Okay, the last one, there's an expandable awards happening especially for journalists.
What?
Expandable awards for journalists. It's happening.
For journalists awards, very good, yeah, it should happen. जो तुम अपने,
wishes.
you're on your knees. I want you to win the award, my friend. No, it's a good thing. I think every job, when you get appreciated, it's a wonderful thing. Yeah.
We can wish expandables.
Expandable awards for journalists, please go for it. Yeah. बोलो. मैंने अभी कहा यार, मैं बोला बहुत गलत है यार, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ये बहुत ही गलत है. आई थिंक कहीं पे हमारी सरकार को ये सोचना चाहिए कि ये एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी है जो ईमानदारी से काम करती है, टैक्स भरती है. थोड़ा तो ख्याल रखिए. कहीं गैंगस्टर्स आ जाते हैं, कहीं कोई सेना आ जाती है, ना कोई आ ही जाता है और जिसके मूड में जो आता है करता है. तो आई थिंक इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग, बट आई होप समबडी डज समथिंग अबाउट इट.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
मैं रोकता हूँ, रुक जा.
I'm expecting a good film, hopefully. शौक है मूवीज़ का, especially ये टाइम पे all the Oscar films are sort of out. This film has got great reviews, so very excited to watch it. Yeah, also excited क्योंकि इंडिया में कुछ पोर्शन शूट हुआ है, so very excited to watch it. Hoping for a good film. Yeah, of course I've seen La La Land. I saw it twice. I really liked it. I loved it. I mean, it's the film I'm thinking is going to win the Oscar this year and all that. But no, other than all of that, I really liked it. Yeah, I'm quite a sucker for romance, so it really spoke to me. तो मेरा प्रोजेक्ट तो काफ़ी टाइम से मतलब बन रहा है लेकिन अभी तक शूट चालू नहीं हुआ है. We are hoping that August तक we will get going with the film. That's it. Yeah. We are hoping to start shooting in August. Release date अभी कुछ पता नहीं है.
Star cast.
वो तो पहले से ही है ना, रणबीर and Alia. That's confirmed.
And who are the people apart from Ranbir and Aryan?
Well, can't really talk. There's nobody else has been cast. There's one other very special part, but it's not been cast, so I should not talk about it.
What is the genre of the film?
The genre of the film is a modern day romantic fantasy. एक चर्चा है in the world that it's a superhero film. It's not really a superhero film. It's more of a fantasy film. Yeah.
Okay.
The budget came out and there's been no relief as such for Bollywood, in terms of benefits, tax benefits, and all of that. Can you comment on that? Because a large part of the revenue does go from Bollywood.
To be honest, I don't want to comment yet because it's come out today and I was just reading up on the budget before I came. But number one, I'm not a money guy. Like, I don't understand it so much. And especially this budget I've not read about enough at all. So it wouldn't be fair for me to comment tonight.
Okay, the last one, what happened with Sanjay Leela Bhansali in Jaipur? What's your take on that?
Of course,
At least
there
has
is-
to be some.
There is only one take. Again, I don't know all the details, but as a young filmmaker and as someone who has a lot of respect for Sanjay Bhansali, it was very horrible to watch. Yeah. You know, it was very demeaning, embarrassing. One felt very bad watching it. So obviously, like, I think it's a horrible thing that happened, and it shouldn't be happening. And I feel like, I think, again, I'm not senior enough to say it, but I think the Producers Guild and a lot of people in the film fraternity have come out and spoken up against it. No, actually, he started shooting Raju Irani's film. So we are hoping that he will be done with that film by the time we start.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mohan. It is not a fantasy film. Yeah, Justin, everything in the quote about Radhika. If you can go a little back. अरे डन जीतू बोला तुम
Radhika, what do you expect tonight?
I don't go watch films with expectations. I go watch films with open mind and open heart, and that's what I'm going to do today as well. Hollywood film. I love watching any films. Hollywood, world, regional, Bollywood. So I love watching films. I watch a film every night almost. So it's great, and I love to watch films on screen. Basically, that's what it is meant for. So I'm very happy.
Did you had a word with Tanisha? She said she plays a surprise role in the film. Did you had a word with Tanisha?
Oh really? Oh, I did not know.
We had
No.
just interviewed her.
That's
She-
amazing. Is she here?
Tanisha Chatterjee.
Is here?
She's here.
Oh, amazing. I'll go find her. I'm not going to speak about the budget here.
Okay, what happened with Sanjay Leela Bhansali in Jaipur?
I'm not going to speak about anything here. We'll talk about the film.
Thank you so much, Radhika.
Thank you so much.
बोला मुझे हो गया तो बोलो. चलो रेडी.
कबीर जी यू क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं आज की शाम से आज की फिल्म से?
बस एक बेहतरीन पिक्चर देखने आए हैं एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. इससे ज़्यादा क्या कह सकते हैं.
जी और एक बेहतरीन फिल्म भी आप बना रहे हैं.
अब
हमने
वो
मैडम से
फिल्म बना रहा हूँ, बेहतरीन या नहीं होता आप लोग बताएंगे.
तो मतलब क्या कुछ स्टेटस है, कहाँ तक फिल्म का शूट?
फिल्म हो गई कंप्लीट, बस एक दिन का शूट बचा है और शूटिंग कंप्लीट है. जून में रिलीज़ करेंगे हम. 23 जून को ईद है, 26 जून को ईद है, तो 23 को हम लोग आएंगे.
कुछ क्लैश भी है?
अभी तक तो नहीं सुना, लेकिन अब कोई आ जाए तो हो जाएगी क्लास.
Okay, what are the most challenging part while working on Tube Light?
हर फिल्म के अलग अलग चैलेंजेस होते हैं. मतलब आई थिंक एज यू नो कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आउटडोर लोकेशंस में शूट करता हूँ. इस बार लद्दाख के पहाड़ों में बहुत शूट किया, तो आई थिंक दैट मस्ट हैव बीन फिजिकली द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग टू शूट.
Do you somewhere under the pressure in the post Bhaijan, Bajrangi Bhaijan success, their expectation is really high, whether it is critic or whether
नहीं, वो प्रेशर मैं नहीं लेता हूँ कि लास्ट फिल्म हिट थी, फ्लॉप थी. वो प्रेशर लेंगे तो फिर आगे बढ़ नहीं पाएंगे. अगर मैं एक था टाइगर का प्रेशर लेता तो फिर मैं एक था टाइगर जैसी एक फिल्म और बनाता. हमने भी डिपार्टेड बजरंगी भाईजान बनाई, तो आई थिंक वो मैं प्रेशर नहीं लेता. पिक्चर बना रहे हैं, अब आप लोगों को अच्छी लगेगी तो इट विल डू द सेम बिजनेस एज बजरंगी, नहीं तो कम करेगी.
Okay, सलमान का एकदम अलग रूप देखने को मिलेगा क्या?
जी बहुत अलग. ये मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि ट्यूबलाइट में अगर लोग कह रहे थे कि बजरंगी भाईजान में सलमान अलग है, तो इसमें तो उससे 5 कदम आगे है.
पिछले हफ्ते हमने देखा 2 बड़ी फिल्में रिलीज हुई. आपने कौन सी देखी या
मैं एक्चुअली शूट कर रहा था, मेरा ये पहला ऑफ डे है, कल फिर शूट कर रहा हूँ, तो मैंने काबिल और रईस में दोनों में से एक भी नहीं देख पाया हूँ.
किसको देखने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड?
दोनों बहुत एक्साइटिंग एक्टर्स हैं. और दोनों फिल्म मैं देखना चाहता हूँ.
Okay, what happened with Sanjay Leela Bhansali in Jaipur? What's your being a part of the industry?
आई थिंक इट्स शॉकिंग, आई थिंक इट्स हॉरिफिक कि ऐसी चीज़ हमारे मुल्क में हो सकती है. आई मीन सबको राइट है एक अगर उनको कुछ चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती है तो अपना एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू प्रेजेंट करें, लेकिन हर चीज़ एक डेमोक्रेटिक स्टाइल में होनी चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं हो सकता कि गुंडागर्दी आ रहे हैं, कोई आ गया आपने थप्पड़ वप्पड़ मार दिया. आई थिंक इट्स डिस्गस्टिंग what happened in Jaipur and I'm shocked that those people still have not been caught and thrown into jail. आपको अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है संजय लीला भंसाली की स्क्रिप्ट से, फर्स्टली आपको स्क्रिप्ट कैसे मालूम है ये मुझे नहीं मालूम, बिकॉज संजय किसी को नहीं पढ़वाते हैं स्क्रिप्ट. सो दे ऑलरेडी सीम टू नो व्हाट इज इन द फिल्म. अगर फिल्म में कुछ खराब लगी तो अभी फिल्म सेंसर बोर्ड के पास जाएगी, उसमें अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी, जब पास होगी तब आप अपना जो प्रोटेस्ट आप करना चाहते हैं करिए, लेकिन पीसफुली करिए. हर बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जिसमें आप पीसफुली प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस काइंड ऑफ गुंडागर्दी इज जस्ट नॉट डन.
Thank you so much.
What do you make of the union budget that was presented by the finance minister today?
Well, to be very honest, today was my first off day, so I slept till lunchtime. I missed the live telecast, so I've just sort of got a few indicators of what has happened. So I'm not really in a position to be able to intellectually sort of speak about what the budget is. I just got a few things about the tax rates and got a few things about some of the infrastructure investments that they're increasing. So I don't really have the details to be able to talk properly about the budget. As always, I don't think we ever get anything. That's a little surprising and it's a little disappointing. Every year we expect that there will be some sort of serious look at Bollywood. I think they just don't take us seriously as an industry. So I don't think the little issues that we have, they don't think they're important enough to be really considered in the union budget. Unfortunately.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
चलो
Come.
what are you expecting tonight?
मैं आज की शाम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. लायन ऑस्कर्स के लिए नॉमिनेटेड है और हमारे अपने इंडियन एक्टर्स हैं उसमें.
अबे कितना आगे लो, हाथ टूट रहा है मेरा.
वेरी 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 प्राउड एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी लकी कि मैं खुद एक हॉलीवुड फिल्म में काम कर रहा हूँ. तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सीइंग द वर्क. इट्स बीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अवेटेड मूवीज़ 2017 की एंड देव की काफ़ी चर्चा हुई है उस वक्त भी जब मैं शूट कर रहा था अभी लंदन में, क्योंकि वी शेयर relationship with Judi Dench, who he has also worked with in Marigold. So I'm very happy for him. I'm very happy for everybody and Garth because it's his first film. So yeah, and it's a true story. I think ये साल काफ़ी true stories का है. And we're looking forward. Yeah, it's going to be fun.
Thank you so much.